Welcome to my channel Teach Me 24/7. Today we are going to discuss the questions and answers for chapter number 11, that is New Empires and Kingdoms, from class 6th History NCERT. The first section is True or False. Harisena composed a Prashastri in the praise of Gautamiputra Sri Satakarni. This statement is false because Harisena composed the Prashasti in the praise of Samudragupta, not Satakarni. The rulers of Aryavarta brought tribute for Samudragupta. This statement is true. There were 12 rulers in Dakshinapatha. This statement is also true. Takshila and Madurai were important centers under the control of Gupta rulers. This statement is false because Prayaga, the old name of Allahabad, Ujjain, and Pataliputra, that is Patna, were important centers of Gupta rulers. Aihole was capital of Pallavas. This statement is also false. Aihole is not the capital of Pallavas, but Kanchipuram was the capital. Local assemblies functioned for several centuries in South India. This statement is also true. Question number 2. Mention three authors who wrote about Harshavardhana. The following three authors wrote about Harshavardhana. First one is Banabhatta, second is Zhuangzan, third is Ravikirti. It is also claimed by some historians that Harshavardhana himself also wrote some books about himself and people of his kingdom. Question number 3. What changes do you find in the army at this time? We find the following changes in the army at this time. A permanent army was kept by the king or the ruler. This was well organized. Soldiers used different kinds of weapons such as battle axes, arrows, spikes, spears, barbed darts, swords, iron clubs, javelins, barbed arrows, long arrows, etc. Elephants, chariots, cavalry were used along with foot soldiers in the royal ground. Besides, there were military leaders who provided the king with troops whenever he needed them. They were not paid regular salaries. Instead, some of them received grants of land. They collected revenue from the land and used this to maintain soldiers and horses and provide equipment for warfare. These men were known as Samantas. Whenever the ruler were weak, Samantas tried to become independent. Question number 4. What were the new administrative arrangements during this period? The following new administrative arrangements were noticed during this period. Kings adopted a number of steps to win the support of men who were powerful, either economically or socially or because of political and military strength. Some important administrative posts were now hereditary. This means that sons succeeded fathers to these posts. For example, the poet Harisena was a Mahadandanayaka or a chief judicial officer like his father. Sometimes one person held many offices. For example, besides being Mahadandanayaka, Harisena was a Kumar Amatya, meaning an important minister, and a Sandhi Vigrahika, meaning Minister of War and Peace. Besides, important men probably had a say in local administration. These included Nagarashreshthi or chief banker or merchant of the city, the Sartavahaha or the leader of the merchant caravans, the Prathama Kulika or the chief craftsman, and the head of Kayasthas or scribes. Question number 5. What do you think Arvind would have to do if he was acting as Samudragupta? Arvind would have to do the following steps if he was acting as Samudragupta. He had to march solemnly in the splendid robes, to twirl his mustaches and wield a silver paper wrapped sword with gusto. He had to sit on the throne and play the veena and recite poetry. He had to fight several battles. He had to keep and help Harisena, a poet of Sanskrit, in his court. Question number 6. Do you think ordinary people would have read and understood the Prashastis? Give the reasons for your answer. I think ordinary people would have not read and understood Prashastis because they were illiterate and did not know Sanskrit in which the Prashastis were written. Question number 7. If you had to make a genealogy for yourself, who are the people you would include in it? How many generations would you like to show? Make a chart and fill it. If I had to make a genealogy for myself, I would like to include the following persons in it: name of my great grandfather, name of my grandfather, name of my father and mother, and the name of sons, the name of my grandchildren. I would like to show the following 5 generations: great grandfather, grandfather, parents, my own name, names of my son and grandson. Question number 8. How do you think wars affect the lives of ordinary people today? Today, wars affect the lives of ordinary people in the following ways: they are killed in large number, their property like houses, shops, etc. are destroyed. Wars create violence and disturbances in society. Development projects and the welfare works undertaken by the government for the welfare and benefit of the people are disturbed and postponed. Wars waste economic and other resources. The government generally imposed more taxes on the people. That's all in the chapter number 11 of the class 6 history NCERT. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe for more such videos.